Survitec, the world's leading marine safety solutions provider, offers an extensive global lifeboat inspection service, helping you to remain safe, compliant, and improve your overall operational efficiency. Survitec provides class and flag-approved multi-brand lifeboat services. We can provide annual and 5-year inspections on any type, make, and brand of lifeboats, rescue boats, winches and davits on board your vessels. This significantly reduces the operational complexity needed when undertaking your lifeboat inspection requirements. Our multi-brand capabilities are unrivaled in the industry, with lifeboat engineers across 20 global locations. What's important to you is where your vessels trade. That's why we offer fixed prices, including travel costs across all major ports. We have been conducting lifeboat inspections to offshore, blue water marine, and cruise customers for over 25 years. Training our service engineers to the highest possible standard is of the utmost importance to us. We have built up an award-winning retrofit solution and internationally recognized training school. Understanding our customers' needs and being at the forefront of regulation requirements is key to our success. International Maritime Organization regulations require all lifeboat release and retrieval systems that don't meet its specific requirements to be replaced no later than the 1st of July 2019. To both meet and exceed this requirement, Survitec offers customers the award-winning SafeLaunch lifeboat release and retrieval system package. The SafeLaunch hook is both competitively priced and expertly fitted by our highly trained and experienced global installation teams. Access to our worldwide network and coordination of all your inquiries are handled through one point of contact at your local customer service centre. Through the same contact, Survitec can also provide safety service, spares, and replacements on your other safety equipment, including life rafts, fire systems, and a complete range of firefighting and life-saving products. This can provide you further savings and fewer vessel visits. At Survitec, we are proudly obsessive about marine safety. We continue to find new ways to drive safety forward, be it through innovative product design, improved servicing operations, or global accessibility. We are here for our customers to keep them safe and compliant. Contact your local Survitec office or visit us online to find out more.